bless you, mega comrade, once again. We think or we thought we had it all. But little that we know that Governor Godwin Obaseki is more dangerous than we think. You know? There's nothing good about this man called Godwin Obaseki. Esu. Uwesu Omasoi. Uwesu. Obaseki ma bie. To Salobo Mario Money. Owe Ogboni Sanyeki. Iye Gualomo. Iye Wamo. But Godwin Obaseki ona ayiviere ya figbe. The video that I'm about to show you today, you're going to be shocked. You're going to be shocked. You're going to be shocked. If you are a mother and a father, a parent, nobody wants their children to be used. Human trafficking, child trafficking. Governor Obaseki have engaged himself into child trafficking. And I will define the meaning of child trafficking today. Another wahala for Godwin Obaseki is what result here, man. 2016, he said the result was in New York. For 3 years, 4 years plus now, before the election, PDP, they were telling him to bring it to. You see, when you throw one stone to the market, you don't know who is going to meet. When the Supreme Court noid and voted the governorship, governor-elect of Bayelsa State, this terrorist group, they were all happy that because of WAG forgery result, forgetting that their own person, Governor Godwin Obaseki, has more problem. You know, back in the days, you had to have 5 credit to get into university. 5 credit. Governor Godwin Obaseki was only having 3. Honor your forgery, another WAG result. Then to verify is very difficult. He was having 3 credit. I bet me could share this video. Governor Godwin Obaseki. Where is Commissioner Aero with our $2 million? Those state money, where is it? Is anybody asking for that question? Nobody. Where is our $2 million US that they in France Itapo they intercepted in Paris or wherever? Where is the money? Where is Commissioner Aero? Another casualty. Oh yeah, Figbe. Today, not today. Share this video. Let me tell you what they do in their terrorist platform now. They are not campaigning against Iran Amigo. They are campaigning against Iran Amigo. They are campaigning against Pastor Saji Seyemu and Comrade Adamali Oshomulo is not even running for election. That is to tell you how stupid they are. Let me play the audio they shared yesterday or this morning. This morning. Let me play it. I always get it. Akataka. Let me play it. I want the word to hear. Listen. What are we terrorists? Who done?
WhatsApp group talk about family. We have over 400 people in that WhatsApp group. EPM members in that WhatsApp group, they are not up to 10. We want EPM members in that WhatsApp so that they help us. They will spread the information we draw for them. At least they help us.
Wahona. Yeah, Go ahead. Give me 1 second, brothers.
Now, what we want men to do, now they're going to help us to do. So please, the reason is
yeah, let's go.
You that are members of this group, so people that are supporting Gio, he wants to harass you and want to scare you away from the job. Why is there? Iya tiwa iya robi wa mebog beyan. Iya every time mawa because they have no monopoly of insult, they have no monopoly of violence. So Eto Saloboa come November 12. Let my harvest the best swear Obaseki for another 4 years not free. So why worry? The Bolama winning their last breath here breathe. Imagine a campaign my gives a yamu campaign because he confused. Everybody was there yamu.
Umahunu. You know hear him out. He said they don't tire. Yeah, they don't win. If you are already won, why are you fighting us? Umahunu. Or when you are guy, Niranomiwa play because he's been caught. I'm winning. Akataka. Wagai Sonia ne. Governor Godwin Obaseki. Obaseki.
Obaseki must go. 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 Obaseki must go.
Obaseki must go.
Obaseki must go. Obaseki must go. Obaseki must go. Obaseki must go. Obaseki must go.
Let me tell you people something that you know what, let's share the video first.
It's Mr. OJ on the beat.
It's nice and cute. Double J. I don't know you, but I see your walk, oh, it is with me. It don't take when we suffer, we don't offend them. We go to school, we don't graduate too, but there is no job. We try Bolivia to cross the sea, and they return us. They start to talk about environment for so long. Selfishness and greediness, now they kill our economy. Me and got tired of our government. Tell you when they call the lie about empowerment. I don't reach to tell them. May they stop all their greediness. As you see me, so I know they fear them. Because it is what they do, we deceive them. Hey, come with the run on me, go. We are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender. Until we obey the people of freedom. Complete the work, my body chop up. There is no trace. They know the plan, the way to migrate, but it's too late. People of freedom movement. Come with the run on me, go. We are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender. Until we obey the people of freedom. Complete the work, my body chop up. There is no trace. They know the plan, the way to migrate, but the most searching. Oh yeah, Ocean Bay, make we follow join the movements of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Ocean Bay, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. Ocean Bay, make we follow join the movements of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Ocean Bay, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. If election time go reach to campaign, they go turn beggars. When we don't vote for them, they don't sit down for seats. All of them, they go turn Judas. If you ask me what the man go do, if you let's say I get answer for you, there is a lot for us to do. Before they go turn us to no. Go to west, oh yeah, go to east. People they die for hunger because no food to eat. No better run, come on, no lights. See us with the suffer because they put us for it. And when we the para because we do the suffer. My fellow Nigerians, it's time for us to stand up. I like it on the face. If you look into my eyes, you go see say you the right though. Come with the run on me, go. We are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender until we obey. Complete the work, my body chop up. There is no trace. They know the plan, the way to migrate, but it's too late. Come with the run on me, go. We are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender until we obey. Complete the work, my body chop up. There is no trace. They know the plan, the way to migrate, but the most searching. Oh yeah, Ocean Bay, make we follow join the movements of justice and peace. peace, make we try to stop the losing. Oh, should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided further. Oh, should be, make we follow just the movements of justice and peace, make we try to stop the losing. Oh, should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided further.
It's Mr. OJ on the beats.
Yes, brothers and sisters, as you can see, Mega Combe on the move. You know what I'm saying? So we are going to let Edo people know what is happening in Edo State today. A lot of people have no idea. You can imagine these are the same people that call you uneducated, that you are not educated, that you have no certificate, you have no college degree, you have no university degree, or whatever it is. Unfortunately, Governor Godwin Obaseki people forgot that their own governor have no WAEC result. And then I'm going to go straight to the point. I'm not going to be long. I want everyone to share this video. Obaseki violated United Nations Children's Rights Law. Couple of days ago, Governor Godwin Obaseki and his campaign, they violated the UN law, children's rights laws. And I want to first of all educate you what is child trafficking. Any human being or children or whatever, human trafficking, anybody that unwillingly, they have no mind to make decisions of their own, and you are making them to do a job for you without getting paid, is trafficking. And when you go and inject children for your own political gain, it's called child abuse. Unfortunately, Governor Godwin Obaseki, for your own choice, knowing fully well that he cannot take care of anyone's children, he decided not to have one of his own. But Governor Godwin Obaseki continued to use other people's children as a political weapon. We are going to call on the law enforcement agency in Nigeria, the federal police, Abuja, to conduct investigation on this video that I'm about to share. I want every one of you to go ahead and share this video. Right now, I'm about to show you this video. A lot of people might have seen it, but the problem was that you all don't know the consequences of that video. But I'm going to make you understand that using children for your political gain is not acceptable to anyone. So let's play the video. Not only is using them for his own political gain, he's using those children, teaching them how to be violent, how to abuse their elder. Sonny Kevin, Ranomigo, what is your problem with Obaseki? My problem with Obaseki is what I'm about to show you. You hear? My problem with Obaseki is what I'm about to show you. It's corrupt. It has no moral value. Obaseki, Obaseki is a complete evil man. He don't care about anybody. He don't care if you're going to die or children are going to die or they're going to use children as for their own political gain. Children trafficking. He don't give a damn. That is my problem. He's corrupt. He's a criminal. He's a thief. He has no certificate. It's a scam. Political scam. Architect of Ponzi scheme. Obaseki is the definition of a brain boss criminal mastermind. Oh, you know. That is my problem with Obaseki. I believe I have answered your question. So, that being said, let me quickly do this, brothers and sisters. There are some mole over here. One Rosa Vayemaviantine or Mewabon. So, Governor Godwin Obaseki condescended law with his professor, Commissioner of Justice, Professor Yinka. You could have thought, as smart as she is, she will know that using children for their own political gain is called child trafficking, child abuse. Now, I want you all to watch this video. You can see these children. Whoever did this video should be in jail. In Nigeria, every man and woman who is close to the law enforcement agency, police in Nigeria, they should investigate whoever did this video. I want everyone to listen. I'm going to show it here and show it over there. Just give me time, brothers and sisters. Whoever did that video, this video should be in jail without delay. You know what I'm saying? Without delay. You know? Thank you. 1, 2, let's go. This is the video.
I'm not voting for PDP, I'm not voting for APC.
This is what they use children for.
I'm not voting for PDP, I'm not voting for APC. I'm voting for Godwin Obaseki. One of Shomole to stop disturbing Edo State again. No. Look at the way Obaseki is starting roads, making people to be comfortable. Shomole will be using that sense to come and be disturbing Obaseki.
Hold on, you can see this child have already taught how to insult Oshomole. You know what I'm saying? How to insult their elder. That is the new law. Give me a second. Let me plug this thing right. Okay, let's play it. Let's go.
I'm not voting for PDP, I'm not voting for PDP, I'm not voting for APC. I'm voting for Godwin Obaseki. One of Shomole to stop disturbing Edo State again. No. Look at the way Obaseki is starting roads, making people to be comfortable. Shomole will be using that sense to come and be disturbing Obaseki. If I do 3 days passing a prayer, God will judge Shomole to the extent that police like when you face in the bedroom, the next day you cannot sleep. You can't beg Obaseki by force. You don't know. Why are you blaming Godwin? Why are you blaming Shomole? Hey, let me tell you something.
Okay. Let me show Facebook.
I'm not voting for PDP, I'm not voting for APC. I'm voting for Godwin Obaseki. One of Shomole to stop disturbing Edo State again. No. Look at the way Obaseki is starting roads, making people to be comfortable. Shomole will be using that sense to come and be disturbing Obaseki. If I do 3 days passing a prayer, God will judge Shomole to the extent that police like when you face in the bedroom, the next day you cannot sleep. You can't beg Obaseki by force. You don't know. Why are you blaming Godwin? Why are you blaming Shomole? Hey, let me tell you something.
Okay. Have you all seen the video? Yes or no? Have you all seen the video? Tell me how this boy, Obaseki, have completely destroyed this boy's career. This innocent child, his career, his life have been completely destroyed, damaged. Even these children, mother and father should be in jail without delay. Their parents need to be in jail without delay. We are calling on the Nigerian police to have their parents arrested without delay. How dare you destroy innocent children's life? All because you want to go and eat a porcupine pepper soup. Tell me, among everyone that is watching this video now, will you allow your child to be used as a political chess game? Would Abat Obaze allow this child to be used as a political weapon or political tools? What does this child, innocent child, know about Tyne Road? Is this the new election we are going to be doing in Nigeria? Huh? This is what Governor Obaseki brought for. This is a man who refused to have a child. Well, that time I said, "Oh, yeah, be aware in Egwale Vomo." He said, "You don't want to hear children cry. That he can't stand it." Not turn it back on bonus. When I have here, Umari will balance more here. Godwin know your basket. Umari will balance more here. Isa. Obaseki. Amusalama wa. Whenever Riviere, Godwin Obaseki. Over no more video na YouTube when you are gwalo. When if Nigerian police cannot have this, these people who are responsible for this, where you did not see one good thing you can use these children on. You could not see one good thing that you can use these children, but all you can do is to teach them how to insult Oshomole, how to become a cultist, how to become a children terrorist. This is how terrorists brainwash children. You see 4 plus 4. You see that? I told you people the organization is a terrorist organization. Tell me what is different from it now. Eh? Tell me. Can anybody tell me? Will you allow your child to be used this way? That is my question. Obaseki na biomo. Ya kwe no na love ye nya. Huh? Oh, listen, quote. Just listen. Let's look at his this little child finger. Where they watch.
I'm not voting for PDP, I'm not voting for APC. I'm voting for Godwin Obaseki.
You see the hand? You see the hand? Use Wabel boy. Hold on. Let me scan it. Okay. You can see the face. But already they have turned this boy to a monster. A monster. Look at his face. Wabel. Look at the face. See it. Look at his face. Look at the boy face. They already turned this innocent child to a monster. A monster. Huh? Obio Hana, why here no me want where I way mera kipa ibe mo Hana nanya. Look at it. Oh Hana ti why am see your boy no boy. E carry o Hana ya wa gbe na. Orun if I we na ni bedo. Okpa ni kian so no yi. Obaseki now recruiting children. Many people. Is this good? Now make that comrade cause this one. More shona your basket bear. If you do. Huh? And they will enjoy sharing it. Look at the face of it. Can I call this boy innocent now? Can I? Look at. He's warning a whole APC national chairman. A whole APC national chairman for Godwin Obaseki to allow and use these innocent children to be insulting their elders. A child that could be Comrade Adamale Oshomole grandchildren. You know what I'm saying? Okay. We are calling on the Nigerian police from Abuja to open an investigation on this video. On this video, without delay. His mother, his father, whoever the guardian, the legal guardian is, should be arrested without delay. And let me tell you, after when I saw this video, I went ahead and conducted research. This is what I found. Child right, Article 101 for politicians and organizers of political campaign to use any children for whatever it is. That one is there. A child is not a tool, nor a decoration, rather a right-bearing citizen. A child is not a right-bearing citizen. The child cannot vote. He cannot have a driving license. He cannot do anything. Not a bearing citizen exploiting children or using them otherwise to get political advantage, violate their rights. Using children in order to get political advantage violated their right. That is not enough. Children's right to be heard in issue concerning them is instrument in United Nations Convention on the right of the child. This child right now, is when I work in the prison, like inmates are considered 5 years old. They cannot make good decision of their own because they are incarcerated. If you do anything with them, you will go to jail because they have 5 years old brain. They are easily manipulated. So when Obaseki used this child and he have violated United Nations law, the right of children, child abuse. Hey, Mokmona, this is from UN. Go and research it. At least you are educated enough to go and do your own research. If Mega Company can do it, you go and do your own. Okay? That aside. Governor Godwin Obaseki need to resign, and he must resign over certificate forgery allegation. He have enjoyed his immunity for 3 years. Now the Supreme Court have waking. They have started enforcing forging of certificate. So Obaseki should even as a president, Pastor Sage Izeyamu should be sworn in as the governor of Edo State, because Obaseki was having fake result, fake certificate. That's exactly what happened in Bayelsa. Obaseki should not be even allowed to complete his 4 years. They should take him to court without delay. Without delay. Okay? Ide. Where is Obaseki Commissioner Osazemige Ero and our $2 million US? Where is many people money? Is anybody asking Godwin Obaseki? Even a book coin? Even a book liwa con. Iye to ni book. Iya mwere de bokuta. Iya mwere de bokuta. E sura begerege yako. Ona boye ho. Why wakba on Obaseki no down? No Obaseki the problem of Edo State. Why continue? Why the 4+4? Esu. O begerege you ho. Evine ma. Wari boy. No matter what the circumstances, Mega Comrade Clement Eranomigo Edegbe stand with Comrade Adamali Oshomole 24/7, Pastor Osage Izeyamu 24/7, the diamond of Orion land. Pastor Osage Izeyamu is Edo Diamond. Edo Diamond. Ima wa protete. Or moromo. Or my Larry Obade. Wait, you're a governor. You're a chairman. You're not no appointment of power here. Me. Eyana oni aria anywana. Nariaria wawa. You can imagine. This is the only man in the race who have never been elected in any political party. So we have to try him. The only man. It's a total good. I want to be going to post salad. Only no way where a chairman of local government or one hour fever. Nepotism. Or when did he see? My baby boy Bible. Commissioner. Take work one day. Or you know will be ya will be a big poster any. Well, it's time for everybody to surround and unite around Pastor Sage Izeyamu. He is the diamond. There's no grammar you're going to speak. The fact is that my heart and my soul have said it. Where Usalobo Agwime Gwanewe Pastor Sage Izeyamu is the only man that is ready. Go to Edo Central. A body yakbara virine. Ehe oviere. Or Omazazai. Omazazai working. Osage no Izeyamu. Omazazai working. Or when he made it, amigo, it's your Omazazai. Omazazai. Very young bit, it young bit. Emma who doa. Hey, Godwin, I know who doa. No, your Baseki. If not Oshomule, every result let's go. Let's go there. Let me quickly just read this. Let me quickly just read this, because it has getting to a point whereby people need to know before they do anything. Okay, I think this should be the one. Obaseki. Oh, okay. This is the certificate Obaseki claim he has. Let me show you the picture first. Let me show you all the picture. It's what we call the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory in the Abuja Judiciary Division. Okay, this is called Affidavit of Loss of Original Primary School Certificate. Primary School Certificate. We move for fine. Affidavit, or like governor. Okay, secondary school certificate, or what he said that one is in New York. He has no primary school certificate. What about the secondary school certificate? He said that one is in New York. It's not in New York. It's with Governor Obaseki. You know why? Because he only have 3 credits. How did he get admitted into the University of Ibadan with 3 credits? That is the secret he do not want you people to know. Okay. Now, that being said, the problem with Obaseki educational record is that it is not clear when Osage Ize Iyamu ran against him in 2016, the PDP cried out opposition. The PDP carried out opposition research. You know the meaning of opposition research? Opposition research is your opponent will research and investigate you. Okay. The PDP carry out opposition research on Mr. Obaseki. They discovered, I repeat, they discovered that he was admitted into University of Ibadan in 1976, not 1973 as Obaseki claimed. Obaseki, listen, is an architect of scam. He used that year to manipulate them so that they cannot be able to find the actual record. PDP find out that Obaseki was admitted into University of Ibadan in 1976, not in 1973 as he claimed. He graduated in University of Ibadan in 1979 with 2/2, not in 1976 as he claimed. That is 2 stroke. As he claimed. However, as publicly known to the whole world, his record in University of Ibadan shows he had only 3 credits. Only 3 credits. 3 credit passes in 1973 from Erosa Anglican Grammar School, Benin City, and possessing all at EEE. He gained admission with a combination of the 3 O-level credit passes never disclosed. You know what I'm saying? He got an admission with 3 O-level credit passes and 3 advanced level passes. The gap is that he has never disclosed the fact that he has all passes. He did not disclose this to the INEC. Why? Why didn't he do that? Okay. Obaseki did not disclose this to the INEC. Let me go there. In filing and swearing to the nomination form in 2016, which he submitted to the INEC, or in the separate affidavit, he had sworn before the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, months before the election that year. The relevant question, therefore, is why did he carefully omit this? What she don't remove or not you wearing? Omission. What she don't remove it? Okay, omit this. Both to annex as required by the constitutional or by the constitution and in the affidavit as a matter of fact. He swore to the affidavit to say that he lost all his certificate. Akataka. Obaseki swore an affidavit that he lost all his certificate. He listed them all, but never mentioned the advanced level certificate. How did he get advanced level certificate that he claimed that helped him to get an admission into University of Ibadan? Why didn't he say it in the Supreme Court affidavit? Okay, I mean in the High Court affidavit. Okay, let me go back where I was. Okay, so where is the certificate? That is number one. Could he have been forged? Number two question. The Constitution provides that any candidate who present a forged certificate to INEC stand disqualified for gubernatorial election. Any candidate who provide forged certificate stand disqualified for running or for if as is in the office now is illegally occupied that was at the Bay Avenue. Let me finish it. Okay, let me start all over again. Where is it? Okay, he listed them all, but never mentioned them all. Certificate, never mentioned them all advanced level certificate. So, where is the certificate? Could he or could it have been forged? The constitutional provide that any candidate who present a forged certificate to INEC stand disqualified for gubernatorial election session 1A2 1 in 1999 Constitution, Nigeria Constitution. Is this why Mr. Obaseki has refused to submit his certificate? Because it's forged? One. Besides this, the electoral act prohibit giving false information to INEC. This can also end a candidate disqualification. Is this why Mr. Obaseki have refused to disclose that he has an advanced level certificate? That is a question he needs to answer. As his record shown in University of Ibadan, there are many unanswered questions about Mr. Governor Godwin Obaseki educational record. This is enough to disqualify him from being screened. That the screen there. That is it. For being screened. You know, talk less of being permitted to contest the gubernatorial election. You can see that. Okay, why didn't he report the advanced level to the INEC? Where is the result? He stated that all his certificate lost. At first, he said he was in New York. And in University of Ibadan, he said because he have a 3 credit advanced level, he has 3 credit ordinary level. That is how he get admitted into University of Ibadan. And he went to court and said he lost all his certificate. Where are these results? We want to see it. We must see it. I beg any. Imatabuwa. What Baseki now hundano. Amen result. Amen. He has no certificate. Forged certificate. Obaseki forged certificate. The Obaseki is listen. Obaseki have pulled out the greatest corn. The greatest corn on Edo people. It's a corn man. The highest scammer near me Godwin Obaseki no. And Amigo Tona, you know, this is the affidavit. Hold on. The sworn affidavit. Let me show you again. Na picture everyone. This is not Iranomigo Obaseki away. See, this is not Iranomigo. What did Obaseki? He did it. This is the affidavit. He stated that he lost all his certificate. How did you not get your? Where is your advanced level certificate that you claim that enable you to be admitted into University of Ibadan? And I was once told by his own brother that he did not pass economics, not even P in economics. How did he not read the economics in university? Where is the result? Dr. Pedro Tamame. Well, he failed economics, ever passed economics. How can you go and read economics in university when you failed economics? Economics, he may pass a credit. You know what I'm saying? The year we left Nadia College, it's only the real tall, smart people that were able to get 4-5 credit. It's so mami okpa. You know? I was having when I left, let me not talk about myself. Obaseki, F9, Oga have economics. How did he not read economics in university? How did he get admitted? Where is the result? We want to see the result so that they can be able to identify if it is fake or not. Don't want to hear New York. Obaseki is a big problem. A big problem. This is a big problem. Certificate forgery is a big problem. I am not a lawyer, but I know forging certificate is a big problem. You know what I'm saying? What do you mean now? All what problem? What are the problem? A rumo ina no ketik ba de tina. Irano mi go wa wo no na. You know what I'm saying? Wo wa se ti wo no na. Naija College, oh yeah. He's schooling my brother. Naija College. How many people are from Naija College here? Let me give a shout out to my Naija College old student. Where are they? Up Naija. He's schooling. Boys and girls school. Where are the people? If you know you attended Naija College here, just write Naija. Let's see. If I have a lot of time here. Let's see that. Okay. Good evening. Let's see. Where are Naija College students? Anywhere that we go. Akataka. Where are the Naija College? Okay. Okbarewan. Honorewan. Okay. You are back from work. Okay. Exactly. So, my people, man, me when they say no go school, I get 3 credit, and I think it was 5 passes. 3 credit and 5 passes on the seat. That was direct entry to college education. I refused to go. I said no, I don't want to be a teacher. Obaseki have no. He said he that said he's a technocrat governor. He claimed he has 3 credit. They say credit they are amigo God. Everybody know me. I don't lie on it. Even some of my friends who have master degree today, they did not even, they got only 1 credit in Naija College. I have the master, this, I can look everybody result. It's with me here in Dallas. My certificate is with me. My certificate is with me. How can I come out tomorrow and tell people that I don't have certificate? You know what I'm saying? Obaseki give me a certificate. Ever though he don't have. Primary school he don't get. Testimony ever. Secondary school ever. Because of failure on a viole, on a forger of it. You know, people forge certificate to enter school. Once your person a provost or whatever, a good lecturer, they will just maneuver you, or you give them your sister. They will not forge certificate. Before you know it, you are already a graduate in Uniben. This is how this Ponzi scheme master, architect of forgery. Oh, that, a boy now. Oba say, amen now. Oh, ye, arakbarakba. Ami yung panegaya kaya. O manabi. To sabaman. Eki ani, o warrior in hayaw. O momo waro egbe. O wi wamo, ye no mo vie yin ho. But o muviere, o mune yaria. O mono mamugbino ya be. We, o salubo amario mone. Oni, magwalo mono mazete. O mano mazete, we la yakba o mono magbedapa. La governorship ini. Zete lao. Kaya dole boy yine. Ipo mak be wa gbe wo. Era me we no ma wo ke o ma ba me. No ma wo ke o ma ba me. Yeah. Wait, someone that did not want a baby cry. He don't want to hear children crying. He said it's forbidden. How will you expect him to come and help you raise your children? Okay. I don't want this video to be long. It's 46 minutes now. So see the affidavit that he brought out. It's in my page. Watch it in my page right there. Obaseki has no certificate that will qualify him to even be screened at all. So Obaseki, as we talk now, let me tell you how he managed to maneuver. Back in the days, like 2-3 years ago, I was angry with my brother Pastor Sagi Zeyamu. I always say it here. If Pastor Sagi Zeyamu not ready to fight, I for not support her. Oshomule, anybody Comrade Oshomule stand for, that person will succeed. Comrade Adamali Oshomule was with Obaseki Gidigba. He used his power to mago, to biri, take carry Obaseki. He put him for head. They put him for that position. That is why Pastor Sagi Zeyamu did not succeed. And they say Oshomule, person that help you. That is what Obaseki, forgetting that he has they were celebrating Bayelsa, even terrorists. 4+4 terrorist gang. They were celebrating Bayelsa. Oh, why did you forget that? You listen, you sit down, you they look person ask, or that they look you on. I call on Governor Obaseki and his terrorist group to present Obaseki 2 certificates, both advanced level and the ordinary level, O level and A level. He should provide all of them without delay. Put it in public domain. We want to see it in the public domain. We want to see everything. Let us go and verify it, if it is forged or not. You cannot bamboozle the good people of Edo State for the second time. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. It's only a fool that you can fool twice. We the Edo people are not fool. I'm a graduate. I am a university holder. I am master degree. When you have not even ordinary level. You don't have the certificate. You could not even pass it. This is what I'm surprising. So we be calling themselves barrister, and they are doing politicians. Why? Do you know why they are doing it? Because they are the only person that I've really seen who know what he's doing in this struggle that is fighting. One of the, I will only mention one. Samson Osagie is a good fighter. Samson Osagie is very, very smart. That wounded in-law. Very, very smart. Samson Osagie, erere, no, ofigmo, oro. I don't care whatever anybody will say about him. Samson Osagie, you will see some lawyer. They will say they are lawyer. They will not practice law. And since they get out of law school, they have no chamber. They have not argued in the court one day. You know why? Because they forge their result. They enter school and they don't read. They just want to have that certificate so that they can be calling themselves barrister. That's what I call pamphlet certificate. Corrupt certificate. You will see engineer. He will call himself engineer. He cannot do one thing with his certificate. And he will be running to be a politician. He will say, he want to be a politician. Oh, ye. Person that read political science, talk. So we even say, when you ask them, what did you read in school? You say, I read political science. What are you doing? I say, I'm a banker. Hey, Ben, wait here. We are here. Just like I went to Correctional Academy or take some vocational courses on a security, as a security expert. That is what I'm doing. Me matia we beni ni me ya anwini winawe or ni ya yak bisa. That is the problem we are having. You're an economist, architect of economics. He could not provide one job. Or my created one job, economist. Or lasaye iviedu urua. Or bosai maru. Iwo no baseki borrow less than 4 years. It starts Osomule money times 10. Oh, lucky radio times 4 combined. Obaseki emu. Omone Afrivest. Afrivest. Oh ya don't obey stadium. Or I will be on home stadium. So that no making amigo. Or he go soto. Or maya be another faster or modern stadium. Or I hope Bemudiawa. Or he no making amigo. No be. Or you're the governor, you're the contractor, you're the negotiator, you're walk back, you're on your company. Walk back. All baseki, ukbo ya no redo, na was Sony, a company, Afrivest, oh ya way. Oh gee! Ona vivi yovana, vieron. Iwe kogi, or ikurena. Or as we are talking. Obaseki chief of staff is an Fulani Ansama from Guinea Conakry. Guinea Conakry. A trace, ana trace sagno, either a Chad Republic or Kiri or a Guinea Conakry. What tamame dewi ansa or a chief security officer, CSO Obaseki, a chief of staff, CSO Obaseki. What tamame dewi ansano Fulani. De akere. Ni ati akiyole small mosquito odi oirake ode kogi walai ode kogi erikere erewe Yoruba blood. Professor Yeka odi ke Guinea Bissau abi Guinea Conakry Guinea Bissau odi me kodori Obaseki Godwin no Obaseki even no my yo o ma we we do. Oh, a video no na a video ne rima ya to we no ya meri ma vegwa ne rima na we boy your administration or ya fia no we obeshe gwa the politics wa hamo baseki tell Obaseki to leave our traditional rulers alone. He's dragging the palace into politics. He know that he have failed. If I call you boko ire or failing, so a video ni yana do fia de con cotton con ada. Like say, na new video. See, on a scam. Amen. Scam 4120 yahoo in a government phone. Obaseki yahoo. Oh, no, if you be kakiri ladia. Why you romano vi be kala na ya tie bo megerio. Anybody know we na nani? Agmon logia. Anyone that use children as a weapon against order. Where if you more like me, if you like when you have to for what? Can you imagine? Where is Commissioner Aero? The money laundering agent that is languishing in Itapo jail. Where is he? Have Obaseki come out one day, say something about it. Igbunugbono. Egwati 4+4. Egwati Itapo. What if you had to know €2 million, $2 million of B? One Obaseki day company, ukboroma money no banokwa, Afrivest, ona money ni le, ona vivi yobari, ona viorona gaga. We are go to basically umuye dok bano wenawa. There's nobody in Obaseki administration, no better position. Never leak of other tribe. Usaro barista Sergeant Oge Uobo. True or false? Is that I know Sergeant Oge very, very well. we get Yoruba blood. Ahere, Yoruba blood. Chief Security Officer, Fulani Hausa. Professor Yeka, West Africa, Guinea-Bissau, Guinea-Conakry. Dorongba, Obaseki himself, he has a Yoruba blood. Obaseki yebe uyedo. Erai, outworking. I told you a dobe. Amount of video na tangbe. Iriwa tas anyone. All one pan or team in my family now. You know, Pastor Sagi is a yamu. Is the holy hope. So I urge Pastor Sagi is a yamu and all his team, both our brother, former deputy governor, Pius Igberan Odubu, to all surround. Let us surround one person. Lao baba lao. Ime wa ma nagwe waya wa lao wagawa fi boy Pastor Yeke. Na muda enyera enye obaseki enyera winne won no sa e resources in anu wa mena waya protect Oshomole, use it to protect Oshomole and use it to face Governor Godwin Obaseki instead of splitting it. Why this one is more than individual ambition. Lao baba ime wa ime all the EP, let us surround ourselves. I've been saying it for more than 1 month now. What we done with me? Many amigo tana. No egimazaga. All the resources. Let us use it to defend and protect Comrade Adamali Oshomole because he is the greatest leader that I have ever seen from Edo State. And help put a Pastor Sagi Zeyamo. If we can go to Supreme Court now, file a civil lawsuit against Governor Obaseki for the removal of the governor. Why can't you do it? You should provide the certificate. We don't realize that now we're going to screen and now where worry. I what I say. I love you. I've done my own. I can't keep myself. Me winning minute. You be now. A phone. I have done my own. I've done my own. I did it. I cannot keep myself. So I am begging everyone, let us unite and stand with Pastor Osage Izeyamu. He is the only man that have never been elected in any political party. Only man. You know what I'm saying? So area was anyone wawesi. Share this video as you share. May the Lord Almighty continue to bless you in Jesus' mighty name. So I see you whenever I can. I love you. Thank you. Good night, you.
When